We're here still in LA, guys, and we're at the Urth Cafe. So I just got our order ticket here. So you place your order, you go to the counter, you order, and then you sit down with your number and they bring it over to you. So it's so beautiful out. I'm obsessed with my outfit today, guys. I got this at TJ Maxx and I absolutely love it. It's like a faux suede corset style dress. So we're sitting in the back pretty far. So I'm trying to make my way. We're like sitting by ourselves, basically. So here I got the Urth Farmer salad, tuna, and it comes with this bread. It is so delicious, you guys. It's raisin nut bread, homemade. And then my husband got the tomato soup, tomato rice, and turkey sandwich. And then we got African tea lattes. So I'm so excited. This is so delicious, you guys. It has fennel, artichokes, caramelized pecan, and I'm going to put the tuna on top. So can't wait. So guys, we just finished eating and now we're going to go. We have to pick up my husband's prescription at the pharmacy. And then I'm hoping to go back to TJ Maxx. I don't know if I told you guys already, but that's where I got this dress from. And it actually feels so good on. It's like I said earlier, I think I told you it's faux suede, but it's very soft material. It feels so good. So look at the little bows on it. I just can't get enough. So I hope that I find something else good today. I'm going to go back, see what they have. So hopefully you guys want to come with. Guys, I finally made it back to TJ Maxx. I'm going in right now. So it's actually the next day from when I talked to you guys last time. We weren't able to go to TJ Maxx that day. But today, like I said, I'm going back. I cannot wait to see what they have and to get some new dresses because all of the dresses I got last time I'm in love with. So I'm hoping that I can get, some more. So let's see what they got. I'm so excited. Okay, I am definitely needing a cart today. Oh, I already see something I like, guys. Trench coat. Oh my gosh. Guys, a trench. And it's on clearance. Oh my gosh. Burberry. $7.20. Wow. Still expensive, but really beautiful. Oh, this is really nice. This Max Mara burgundy coat. $800. I am a coat addict. Oh my gosh, look at this. That's so pretty. I used to have a coat like this when I was little. It was my sister's, my older sister, and she had didn't want it and she left it in the house because she's way older than me. And I was in love with it and I never took it off. It looked exactly like this. This is very soft, you guys. $400 frame. I really actually want this. It's so soft, like a wool material. Oh my gosh. I saw this the other day, Montclair, pink Montclair jacket. I don't know, guys. I already have a Montclair, so, oh, look at this. Because I really want to get something burgundy. So, this is gorge. How much is this, you guys? $129. Do you think that's a good price? That does seem, but they only have, do they have this size? Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, I'm gonna try this on. Oh, they have these rag and bone. $79. These are so soft. The rag and bone jeans, they actually feel like sweatpants or even like leggings. Oh my god, these are so soft. I really like these. Let me see though. Silver Lake is such a great denim too. But I really haven't been wearing denim lately, so I don't know if I should. Oh, look at these black pants. Oh, these are nice. Wow. They're like leggings, but they're denim. Wow. Oh, how much are these guys? $59. Wow. That's a good price. Okay, let me try these on. Oh, they have these in the olive color, also from Frame. Beautiful wide leg. Oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. How much are these? Let's see, $99. But these are really nice. Look how gorgeous this is, guys. And it is, this is faux fur. But look how plush it looks. It looks so realistic. So soft. How much is this? I really like this. I saw this the other day and I didn't get it. But I really liked it. But I think it's pretty pricey still. Let me see. Yes, $3.99. But look how gorgeous. So beautiful. Oh, another Burberry style coat. Or Burberry coat, not style. It's actually Burberry. Wow. $7.99. They have these Miu Miu stilettos. $2.99. That's a good price. See, that I would pay. But, and then of course they had these the other day, Saint Laurent. These are nice though. Wow. These feel incredible. It's so soft. Okay, $7.99 though, guys. Is it worth it? I think these are real for sure because they feel so good. And I love the look. They still have these Gucci booties. You know, they do feel real, so let's see. Look how nice the leather looks. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm gonna maybe get something and I'm gonna put it in the Poisson app and see if it's real, and if it's not real, I'll bring it back. And this is what I was wearing today, an Alice and Olivia dress. It's brown color with polka dots. Love it. And then these are the Gucci booties. I think I showed you that already. Then they had Chloe flats. So adorable, and have that kind of scalloped edge to it. So pretty. Everything is very pricey though. Then they had these velvet ballet flats, which were really pretty as well. And I forgot who made these, but again, very pricey. Then of course they had all the Gucci bags like I've been showing you guys, and this Gucci hat and a YSL, but you know, here's a Bottega Veneta. But I am just so skeptical because I don't know if it's real or not. But they had this really nice trench coat, but I would love to have gotten this, but they didn't have my size. I think it was a small or extra small, but this is a coat that I did pick up. This is from Theory. It's a wool trench. I actually have my purse underneath my coat. That's why it's kind of making me look like that. But love this so much. My husband loved it when I showed him it. So this is something that I did pick up. I'm going to come back and show you everything that I picked up. And then I did head into the dressing room and tried on this House of Harlow dress. Love how it's so different. It was a knit material. I didn't wind up getting this though because I buy a lot of House of Harlow dresses and I feel like I don't wind up wearing them. So even though I love them, I don't wear them. So I wasn't sure. Also, I tried on this. Now, this dress was actually like an extra small. It did not fit me whatsoever. It was Theory. I love the design and the look of it, but it definitely was too tight. Now, this is something that I did get. This was a 2-piece set from Waif, and it's a faux suede material, so soft. And then I also got this frame. This is a leopard print cardigan. Now, this is also very tight on me, but I like the way it looks, but it's probably too small. But it was the only size they had, though, and I just love the look of it. So we're here at the Langham today. We just had a luncheon with one of my husband's business partners, and so everything went really good. We're super excited. We have so many plans and so many things that we're really excited to implement in future. So we had, what did I have? I had a salmon, so delicious. And so it's just so beautiful here. The grounds are absolutely gorgeous. And again, this is the Langham. I'm not sure if you could hear me before, but this is the Langham in Pasadena. So it's just this huge, beautiful mansion. So they did film a lot of shows here, and so it's really historical. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Everywhere you look, there's just something so beautiful. So I'm wearing this dress that I just got at TJ Maxx. So this is one of my TJ Maxx finds. And so I'm just trying to figure out where I'm at right now. Guys, now I'm getting lost. I gotta find my husband. So actually, let's see here. There's so much more to the property that I've never even seen before. There's the pool area is gorgeous. We were just in the Lanai area. There's just so much to see. There's gardens, beautiful gardens, and just beautiful decor everywhere. So let me show you my outfit. I gotta show you. I love this dress. This is House of Harlow. So this is the outfit. I guess you can't really see it that good. Here, maybe this is better, but it's like kind of backlit, so it's hard to see, but just a beautiful print and kind of a corset style. And then I do have on my Hermes Erewhon, and here I'm just wearing this Chanel wallet on a chain. So actually this is probably a better, let me try to show you guys from here, my outfit. This is probably better. And here's the gardens. So gorgeous. It's really hot out, but so beautiful. I think they're having a wedding. There was just these girls getting their hair and makeup done outside. They look so beautiful. I gotta show you the gardens. They're so gorgeous. There's fountains and it's just so beautiful. So so relaxing out here. Just a great place to come, chit chat or just sit and relax. So Here's where we're at. So beautiful. This breeze is beautiful. And there's roses everywhere. I gotta show you the roses. I also have to find my husband. So, he's probably looking for me, you guys. But I'll have back on later. I gotta show you everything that I was shopping, that I picked up. I have gotten some amazing finds at TJ Maxx. So I gotta show you everything I picked up. But I'll be back later. So we're here in Beverly Hills, and I'm actually gonna go into Erewhon. I'm so excited because, as you might have seen in my other video, I really have been on a mission to go to Erewhon for so long. So it's right there. We just also ate, you guys, we ate at this restaurant called Nate and Al's. It was so delicious. It's Jewish food, the best I've ever had. And I am from New York City, so I've had a lot of the best Jewish food, but I really think this was the best ever. So then I'm gonna go shopping and go into some stores. I've just been wearing this dress. This is actually a dress I was wearing the other day with you guys, but I've been wearing it nonstop. I'm obsessed. So anyway, guys, where's my husband? I lost him now. Oh, he's waiting for me. He's waiting. This is so many shops, guys. Super exciting. I'm very excited. Should I get the strawberry? I'm not sure. I'm kind of scared. I don't want to. Okay, $20. We'll try it. Going in, I'm so excited. It's so busy. So I don't know if I'm even gonna get anything because the line is so long. See, guys, a million people. Can't get in. Wow. Well, maybe if we come back during the week, there won't be so many people. Oh, there's some little snacks I could grab. I got my Erewhon. It was such a nightmare in there. There were so many, I don't know if I showed you guys, there were so many people. And then I had to go to the bathroom, and the line to the bathroom was out. It was so crazy, and I had to go. It was not an option to maybe go later. No, it was not like that. And my husband got into a fight with someone. So anyway, guys, we're gonna go we finally made it to Rodeo Drive because we were on Beverly Drive before. So now we're gonna go, oh, I gotta tell you about my Erewhon. Delicious. I got so much stuff in there. So many sugar-free desserts, sugar-free brownie, sugar-free, everything you could think of, desserts, cake. I have it here, we'll try it later. But it wasn't that expensive. I got so much stuff it came to, and I think with this, I mean, call me crazy, but I thought it was like $30 for everything and the tip. So, but this is delicious. They put cream in it. This is the Hailey Bieber strawberry glaze drink. So it's really good. And okay, let me show you this, guys. Right in front of me, there's some kind of Beverly Hills trolley. So anyway, we're gonna go in Louis Vuitton. I don't know, I'm gonna get something, but I don't know what. Maybe I won't get anything. It was so crazy though, I gotta tell you, at Erewhon, people were actually faking that they were buying the Erewhon food and things like that, and they were taking pictures with the food. Everybody, there were so many people doing like selfies with the food, like they bought it, they were flexing that they bought the food, and then they took a picture and they put it back. I could not believe it. I was like, even for food, people are faking it with they were doing fake Erewhon hauls. I couldn't believe it, guys. So weird. So many dogs out, guys. Roxy's flipping out because sometimes she's friendly, but sometimes she's not. So there's Louis Vuitton. Can't wait to go inside. Oh, there's new art. Naked gals. Or guys. Oh, how pretty is that? Nice. Oh, it's like a Vespa scooter. Louis Vuitton scooter. So cute. Guys, so much beautiful stuff. I can't believe it. So they said no photography in Louis Vuitton, but I didn't see anything that was really different. So I don't know. Oh, here's Dior. Then there's Gucci coming up too. So we'll see what they got, guys. It's gonna go in Gucci, but look at the line. The line is so long. I just don't feel like waiting. I just can't. Did I show you guys that dog? I just saw the cutest dog, and the guy was like, do you want to buy it? I was like, yes. But I can't, I have too many. But I would have bought that dog. It was so cute. Maybe I'm gonna go into Chanel, I'm not sure. but we are headed that way. So my husband's like, just go look. So maybe, I don't know, we'll see what they have. So I wound up going to Neiman Marcus and I got something to show you guys, and I also got some new skincare and makeup that I'll show you in a future video. But I had so much fun there. I always love to stop in there when I go to Beverly Hills. But here is my unboxing. This is what I got at Neiman Marcus. These, okay, Chanel something, you guys. Chanel shoes. These are mules. And can I tell you, these are so comfortable. I literally could not believe it. And they give you a great height too. So they have, you know, very comfy wedge on them. And I feel like they go with everything. So when I spotted these, I said, oh my gosh, I need those. And they did come in white. So if you're interested, they might have them in store for you guys. But I'll be back and show you everything else I picked up.